Hey friends, what's up? Alex here. I just filmed a quick little makeup toot and now I have to pack. We are leaving for out of town tomorrow night. My brother-in-law is graduating from high school. We're flying out to Virginia to visit the fam and celebrate Adrian's graduation. It's been a while. I think the last time we visited his family was last summer, I think. Or was it for Christmas? I can't remember. I'm just gonna put together my makeup situation. In the summer, if any of you guys are familiar with it, it's hot, okay? It's humid and it's wet and it's sweaty. Originally, I wanted to get my lashes done. That way, once I'm out there, I kind of at least have my lashes going for me, and any little makeup that I can put on, if it comes off, I'll at least have lashes. But just with scheduling and things kind of coming up last minute, I did not have time to get my lashes done. So I don't think I need a whole lot of makeup. I can't really see myself doing a full face of makeup the whole time we're there, but I'm gonna be prepared just in case. So I'm gonna set the camera so you guys can see my desk. Don't judge me, okay? I just did my makeup, so it's kind of a mess. So I pretty much carry all my makeup in this little case right here. The brand is Kestrel. I'm honestly not even 100% sure where I got this. I believe it was a gift one year from somebody for Christmas. And I love it because it's like the perfect size. It's not too big, but it fits a bunch of stuff. All right, so for my face, I'm bringing the Professional Primer by Benefit. I've got my Fenty Beauty foundation. I think for concealer, I'm just gonna bring my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I can't see me needing much more than that. I haven't really been wearing concealer anyways. I highly doubt a family trip is gonna be where I pull out my concealer. So I got this. I'm going to take my brow. This is my Milani Stay Put Brow Gel. I'll be taking this. I'm gonna bring my Rimmel Brow Pencil as well. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder is always a must. Tricky thing about packing makeup on a trip that I try to remember is, God forbid I lose my makeup or drop it and everything shatters. I don't want to have all of my best, most expensive favorite products in that bag. So I try to kind of get a variation of, okay, I love this blush, but I'm gonna take this not favorite bronzer. Do you know what I mean? For blush, I'm gonna take this Tarte Party blush. For bronzer, I'm gonna take my mini NARS Laguna bronzer. I'm not gonna bring my Fenty Beauty bronzer because I just recently got it and I would hate for something to happen to it. For highlight, I'll bring my Anastasia Resi palette. I'm gonna take a couple of my Stila Glitter and Glow sets. I'm gonna take this golden one, which is Sunset Fire. Got a liquid liner, mascara. I'm not sure what palette to bring. Okay, so for palettes, I'm gonna bring my Perception palette with the Shayla ColourPop collab. Pretty much has anything that I would need. Also has a big giant mirror, which is good so I can prop up and get ready somewhere if I need to. For foundation, instead of my Fenty, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match. Take a couple liquid lips. I got my Wet n Wild Pink Really Hard, my Morphe Virgin. I haven't worn this one in a while. Come on, sis. It's pretty. All right, let's take a couple liners. So I got LA Girl in Mauve. Take a couple of glosses. So this is MAC Oyster Girl. And I think that's gonna be all for lips. Oh, I'm gonna take, oh, okay. Hold on, I found a couple more stuff I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take my Matte Innocence by Milani. I've got my MAC lip gloss in this shade Audible. And then I also like to take this Victoria's Secret gloss. I don't even know the name, the label came off, but this is for like if I have nothing on, but I want gloss. This is just like a clear gloss. Okay, so that's gonna be it for makeup. I wonder if this is too big, damn it. But let's take our 4 ounces. This is actually too big too. Shit. Okay, well I guess I'm not taking setting spray. And then I'm gonna clean my sponge, but I'll be taking this as well. I do have some brushes to clean before I pack those up, but I am, we go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup tomorrow. and then I'll be able to clean my brushes once I get home, and then I'll pack those in at the last minute. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as makeup, what I'm packing. I do have some laundry going just because I have to pack clothes, obviously. So let's take you guys into the living room. Come on, go. Oh, you guys, we're getting a new puppy. I'm so excited. We get him on Monday. So we get back on Monday from Virginia, and then we pick up our dog that evening. So Rocco's gonna be a big brother. I'm so excited. We're getting another little boy. We have his name picked out and everything, but I'll show you guys him next week once we get him. Super excited though. Let's go into Rocco. You ready to be a big brother? Look at him under there. Rocco? This is your last week as an only child. I think he'll be good though. I think he'll enjoy having someone to play with. He loves to play. Come on. All right, let's get some lights going in here. Trying to clean up a little bit. Our friend Bree is actually watching Rocco while we're gone. So I want to make sure to have everything kind of put together, cleaned up a little bit. Also, I hate traveling and coming home to a dirty apartment. Does anyone else suck at putting their laundry away? I have like clean piles of clothes that I just hate. I hate putting clean clothes away. I could wash clothes all day, but when it comes to putting them up, my better half takes over.
Damn, babe, pack them up.
I'm trying.
Sorry.
Okay guys, my husband just got home, so I just pulled out my suitcases. My laundry is finishing up, and it is time for me to start packing, aka overpacking. And then I'm taking out this makeup so I can get myself to bed. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you are an overpacker like myself. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos to come. I'm gonna vlog the whole time we're out of town. We have a few trips planned this summer, so I will be vlogging each trip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon in some more videos. Bye.